Hi everyone. My name is Yani and I am based out of Bangalore, India. And for the people who do not know me, my name is Yani Srivastav. I am I'm a mother of a 6-year-old son, 5 cats, 4 dogs, and I'm a corporate trainer turned makeup artist known for male to female makeovers. So if you know anybody who wants this kind of transformation, or if you want one, you know where you need to come to. So, yes, so there are a whole lot of people who are joining me right now. So, if there is an accent coming out in between, okay, that happens with me, please understand that's the trainer inside me that's like just waking up. Okay, usually I will just, share the screen with you in a bit. So, welcome to my Diva show. And today I am going to introduce you to Piyushi Roy, a very sweet, very pretty cross-dresser from Kolkata. And it's going to be fun meeting up with her and having a candid chat. Now, what is this show about? This show is very light-hearted, fun-based, cheerful, optimistic, hopeful, and easygoing show. It's just not a serious show. It's just a fun show. So people who like the show, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. People who don't like it, well, thank you so much for watching. Here I humanize the existence of CDing. And I want to show you how awesome cross-dressers are. And, I am also going to bring in cross-dressers as well. Drag queens as well in the days to come. So let me just get Piyushi Roy. I know she's there, but let me go. Okay, so Piyushi Roy is here for her to come in. Hello, where is she? So that's going to happen. And we're going to do a count. And she's there. Hi, Piyushi.
Hi.
Hello. Is my voice echoing again? Little bit. You wearing, this is your phone that you're using and not your laptop, right?
Yeah, the same
Okay,
headphone
and
I
you
used.
same headphones? Okay, so we'll figure it out. Guys, I just hope there is no echo. Please give me a thumbs up if at all there is no echo. We tried our level best. Yay, so people said there is no echo, so I am good to go. Wow, you're combing your hair also in between. So cute. Okay, so welcome to my Diva show, Piyushi. It's so nice to see you, and it'll be wonderful to go ahead and have a lovely chat with you. I have some exciting questions. I have a little bit of a quiz that I have, I've just kind of like tried to have like a little bit of a quiz that I'm going to do with you. So now you know all your friends. I asked you, your friends' names, and I know a little bit about your other friends as well. Say also cross-dresser friends or trans or whatever. You told me a little bit, and I kind of like found out as well. I did my homework a little bit. Okay, so I am gonna show you. Some are very easy. I'm just letting you know. Some are really easy. Okay. So I am going to show you some pictures of your friends, but their face is masked. Okay. Some are really easy. I know some are really easy. And some are just, some are just not. Please tell me there is no echo, Vanessa. Are you guys hearing an echo? I'm hearing an echo for some reason. Okay, I'm like kind of like just hearing it.
Is something problem with your connection? Maybe not from my side, please.
Well, we will figure it out because this hasn't. I know there is an echo. I don't really know what to do. Yasmin's word. This is normal. I cannot. Voice started echoing. I know. I don't know what to do. So guys, please give me any suggestion as to what we can do so that this echo is not there, because it's again echoing. And you're using the same headset, right?
Yeah.
No
See,
Bluetooth.
No Bluetooth.
Feeling like we're in the Himalayas. Piyushi, go on mute if you're not talking. Really? How can she go ahead and keep on doing that? That's not really possible. So we can avoid. You sound oddly, outwardly. It's manageable? Okay, so we'll figure it out if it's manageable. If somebody can give me some other tip that I can plug out. Okay, let's just try. Plug out, Piyushi, your earphones also and put that back. Can you guys hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, you can hear me, right? Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
So we are good to go. Things are much better. Whoever told me that we need to put the earphones back again, well, I'm learning. I mean, this is things that happen, isn't it? Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is I want to show you pictures of your friends and the faces masked, and you need to tell me who they are. Okay, let's just see how well do you know that. But some are very easy. Okay, so I am just going to show you some of these. Okay, so these are black and white, and I did it on purpose because I did not want any color. So, well, just let's go ahead and do it. This one.
It's Anushka
Who is this?
Roy. Anushka Roy.
Good one. We shall see. You don't know what all I have planned for you. Okay. Who is this?
This is Radhika. I don't know.
Okay, so we'll just keep it aside, okay? We'll just keep it aside. So we'll keep it aside. Okay. This is again on the easy side. Who's this?
It's Radhika.
Okay. What about this?
This is Pooja Kosara.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
That's
Who's this?
actually, okay. This is Harshada. Harshu. My cute Harshu.
Okay, this is again easy. Okay, I think this is very easy.
It's my Didi Bhai Tanvi.
Okay, Tanvi. Okay. Do you know who this is?
Okay, so this is a little bit tough. I guess Shivani or Radhika probably, or Vanessa. No,
Okay, who's this then? Who's this?
that's Vanessa.
That's Vanessa. Okay. Who is this?
This Mita.
Okay, this is again very easy. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you, this is very easy.
That's my sister Anushka Sharma. Sorry, Anushka Mukherjee.
Anushka Mukherjee is a.
That's Mita Isika again. That's
Damn
in the
it!
house actually. That's in the
I
house
know. I
actually.
figured out. Okay, who's this? It's an easy one.
Shivani. That's Shivani.
See, I told you I'm gonna make it so easy for you. I'm gonna make it so easy for you.
That's Vanessa in the pink dress. The Mama Pride. I know that.
Who is this?
Then it's Shivani.
Okay, let's leave it at that. Okay, what about this one?
That's Tanvi. Oh, sorry, Nikki Domino. Sorry. Oh my God.
This is Niku.
Yeah, Nico.
Okay, how about this one? This is so easy.
That's
She wears the same wig. Yeah.
Karthi.
So, yeah, of course, it's like, we just know that's like her trademark, okay? So I did a little bit of like, I confused you on purpose, of course. This is Susan. She's not your friend. This is Susan. Susan Lena Norman.
Okay. Okay, okay.
Yeah, and then this is, of course, this is Lata. She's again not a very close friend of yours, and this is also not a very close friend of yours, and her name is Maya Joy.
Okay.
So I did a little bit of trying to confuse you types. So you were also like a little tensed up. It's like, I don't really know what she's going ahead and
Yeah,
asking, and it was a little
no,
bit of a pressure. It's like, who is this? Like, why am I not able to go ahead and, figure
I
this out?
supposed to. Yeah, I supposed to.
Yeah, I know. But there were a couple of these that were really easy, like Anushka. Anushka was like super easy. And Anushka, of course, it's like, and then of course, I think the Vanessa also was pretty easy
Yeah.
because, okay. All right. So I have been telling everybody, we have seen your pictures and you're extremely pretty. Your pictures are so beautiful. And I call you the pout queen. I call you the pout queen because everywhere I go in and see whichever picture there has to be pout. Yeah, I know. And even on your lives, okay, when you go live on Insta, when you go live on Facebook, there has to be like a pout. And I'm like, this girl is all about pouts. I have not seen any other girl, I mean, any other girl with so much of like pout pictures going in and happening. So,
I told you, right? Why that, the
yeah,
pouch.
you told me you shared that with me. Now your pictures are so awesome. It's they're very, very beautiful. And tell me what's the best compliment you have received so far?
The best compliment I received from my DDY. It was
Mm-hmm.
like when the first time, I remember the properly makeup, and I was also very happy with my makeup. The first time she said like, even her friends and she also was saying now Pixie is like, reached a level and, in the makeup and all. So it was really, I was really very happy, hearing that.
Yay. Okay, so tell me, as I said last time also I was asking Zoya. I was like, why do you think that there are so many cross dressers who keep changing their name? Like every now and not every now and then, but pretty frequently. I mean, they're not stuck to their own like one name. Like they haven't really gone ahead and done that. So
I haven't changed in last 3 years.
oh, so you have changed.
I changed when I didn't had my pictures and all, and
Uh-huh.
and I didn't know also much, those genuine CDs. So
Right.
I tend to, befriended with some, mistake like wrong persons and all. So it was
Uh-huh.
filled up with wrong person, and I felt like, okay, now, I should leave their company and start a fresh, you know, uh,
I think
startup
that has
feeling now.
happened. I have heard this kind of a story before that they were like wrong people that came in. But then wasn't it, yeah, shouldn't it be easy to just go ahead and block them and take them off your list?
Yeah, it could be, but the friend list, could have been reached like over 1,000 and all. So
Oh boy.
just block. Yeah, probably 80% of them are wrong people, or like, not wrong, I would say, like they would be asking some, weird questions and all, making you uncomfortable. So,
Right. Right. So tell me, so if at all today, like I'm not saying like I'm just saying if you had the opportunity to change your name again, Um, what name have you gone ahead and thought of that you would change it to?
uh,
Do you have a name in your mind?
yeah. The name,
Yeah?
probably I would go to, if, I really had to, I won't
Uh-huh.
change probably, but if I really had to, I would be going to a name, the name starts with R, and Ridhima.
Ridhima? Really? Wow, that's interesting. All of a sudden, from a Piyushi to a Ridhima. I can never imagine you as a Ridhima, but but it's
There's a
different,
funny,
isn't it?
the funny thing is that, my previous account's name was also Ridhima. So
Oh,
it was also,
really? Yeah, it's like, for example, some of the names just stick to you. Like, for example, there is another CD called Lovely Karina. Okay. She changed her name to Nikita Sharma, and I just could not go ahead and, relate these two people. And she went back to again Lovely Karina. That's another story. Lovely Karina, are you there? I'm talking about you. So, Dridima is actually a nice name. It's a very pretty name.
It's kind of Bengali touch. It's have a Bengali touch in it.
Really, it's a Bengali name? Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, commonly
So,
used as a Bengali name.
Okay. So tell me, so you have gone out, of course, as Piyushi Roy. You have gone out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not
so what's
quite a few.
Quite a few times?
No, not that much. Like probably 5-6 times max.
Wow. Okay. So what's the craziest thing that you have done as Piyushi Roy? That you look back and you're like, oh my God, I mean, I really did that? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, actually, there was an instance actually. It was my first outing, and it was a coastal area, little bit like 200 kilometer probably far from Kolkata. So it's supposed to be like we came from like local sightseeing around 12 and all. And we're supposed to go to the sea beach for bath or something, or like taking pictures or just roaming around. So it happened that we three friends were there, and I needed a little bit touch of my makeup and all. So they just left, and they told me just the coast is like probably the opposite side of the hotel. It will be like probably 100-meter max walking. So they told me just come by, na, we are going, we will be there. So I said, okay. So I touched my makeup, and as soon as I was just crossing the road, so a crazy man actually, came behind me, and he was asking me about my phone number and where I'm staying and all. And actually, it actually, made me really, nervous also and awkward also. It was my first time outing and all. But I didn't, actually, all of a sudden, I don't know what happened to me. I just ignored that person. That person was asking me, and he was not going away also.
So what was the most daring thing? What did you end up doing when he was doing that?
Yeah, that thing that I just ignored that person. Okay. I could have gone to my friends or asked them for help. And I was really nervous actually. I could not probably, express right now. That moment was very, very nervous, very tense also for me. But I was like, no, I'm not going to, spoil that day, for that person. I just ignored him, and I continued to enjoy myself, taking pictures, and
so basically the craziest thing that you did at that point in time was to basically ignore the person and just continue to go ahead and do what you wanted to do. Touched up your makeup and just kept on going ahead and taking your pictures. Is that what you did?
It was real. Yeah. It was really crazy actually. I don't know how other people will react that time. It was like,
why am I getting...
Sorry.
You can hear. Okay, now all of a sudden I kind of like lost you, I thought. Okay, so tell me, like for example, I tend to fall down a lot. Okay, I slip and fall a lot. So I have a lot of stories. So do you have any story? Do you have like a dumbest way that you have ever fallen? You have got yourself injured ever? Like, is there like a really silly way that you've got injured?
No, not like. Yeah, there.
Have you ever fallen down?
I've fallen down, but luckily I was not injured. But it could be a very nasty.
So have you worn heels? I mean, the number of times this has happened, okay? With some of the cross dressers, not with all. Like they have fallen down while they were wearing, of course, when they were wearing heels and they were kind of like walking. Has that ever happened to you?
I don't really went out wearing, high heels, like moderate heels, or sandals. So I did not fall But yeah, I tumbled probably at my home, like when I was, climbing the stairs. That time probably I crumbled, quite a bit of time. But otherwise, outside I don't really went with wearing heels, so there was not such instance of
Okay.
falling.
So when you went, like, you tend to kind of go out, you've gone out like a number of times. Which was the most relaxing place that you've ever gone to? The most relaxing place.
That would be Kolkata Pride. After the Pride,
Oh, really?
Yeah. After the Kolkata Pride was over, three of my friends and me and my two other friends went to a bar, or you can't say bar, like a cafe. The name was like 377 Cafe. So it was very relaxing that time. The environment was LGBT friendly and all, and we could also like enjoy and like relax and have some drinks also. It was really pretty relaxing.
Oh, okay. So you do watch a lot of movies. I know you don't really watch a lot of Bollywood, but if at all there was a movie, okay, that could be made on you, okay, which actress would you like to play your role?
Priyanka Chopra.
Oh, really? And have you thought of possibly which particular name your movie is going to be? I mean, have you ever thought of that? Or it's like, no, have not thought of that, but it's definitely going to be Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah, I haven't thought of it, but obviously I'm going to name my own movie if there happens to be any movie. That,
Okay.
I won't let anyone to name my movie. I would probably name my movie myself.
Okay. So you have watched movies. Now tell me, which movie did you really like? And if at all you had a chance to be in that movie, which particular movie would you like to star in? And which character would you like to play?
Probably it would be an English movie, obviously, because I tend to watch English movies more. The stories and all are like really nice. There is a like rhythm or something, so I could really enjoy. It's not predictable like Bollywood movies most of the time. Sorry for like if anyone mind that statement. My favorite movie is The Count of Monte Cristo, and if given a chance, probably I would like to do the role of Edmond Dantes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not that I know too much about that movie, but I'll go back and I'll go ahead and check that. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I know that, Hindi movies. I mean, of course, at least you listen to Hindi songs, no, once a while. You definitely have gone ahead and listened to Hindi songs, no? It's not really like an alien concept for you, isn't it?
No.
Okay, so if your life had a theme song, okay, which song will it be? Do you have a theme song?
Theme song, yeah, obviously, why not? A theme song would be really nice. I don't really like all the time I hear the music, especially the Bollywood music. But I happen to have a very nice song, my favorite.
Which one is it?
That would be probably, I don't know, many people remember. The movie name is Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi, and the song name is Dil Se Mere Dur Na Jana.
Oh, Dil Se Mere Dur Na Jana. That is going to be like the theme song of your life. Oh my God. That's like intense. Okay. I mean,
there is a reason probably after it also, because I like that song. All my life, because of my father's job also and my study situation, I had to roam around in many places, change many of my educational institutions and all. So I lost a lot of friends. Also, I earned again, but I lost many nice.
Yeah, that happens. That definitely happens with people who've got like transferable jobs and who kind of like move from city to city. Yeah,
Yeah.
that kind of like definitely goes ahead and
That
happen. So tell me,
that
so if you had gone,
Mhm. So
so
yeah,
if
that
you had a chance to trade places with someone, with just anyone, if you had a chance, who would it be? Who would you like to trade places with?
okay. One of my favorite places is Bangalore. Apart from Kolkata, obviously.
No,
And
in the sense, what I meant to ask is, for example, if I want to trade places, as in like a person's life, would I like to trade places with my sister? Would I like to trade places with Deepika Padukone? A person. So who would you like to be?
I got that question.
Yeah. So who would it
That
be? Who would you like to trade with?
uh, there is a reason after it, but after my answer. My answer is Nikki Dominos,
Oh,
and
okay.
yeah, and
Okay,
probably
that's
she would be.
Niku. That's Niku. That's one of your very good friends.
Yeah, and not
Okay.
only my friend, he is like my friend philosopher guide, you can say. And other thing, the main reason is like I probably never seen a person so kind and so wise like Nikki Dominos.
Ah.
Uh, yeah, even I told about her in my family also, to my parents also, that I had never seen a person like that. So, like for Pixie, like my existence is also like her contribution is a lot. Like educating me and like correcting me sometime also. I also share my experience with her. So,
Uh-huh.
and she is very very wise and very knowledgeable also. So that's a like uh, you know
Okay.
craziness after it.
Okay. So if you had a chance to have dinner with somebody, like dead or alive, whoever, who would it be? Who would you like to go out to dinner with? Yeah. Have you thought
That
of that?
definitely must be a Hollywood heroine
Oh,
and
Bollywood heroine. Who would you like to take for dinner?
Hollywood heroine.
Hollywood heroine. Who would that be?
That would be Kristen Stewart, Bella of Twilight.
Ah, okay. All right. That's interesting. I didn't see that coming at all. And I know that you like, of course, a lot of historical kind of like movies or, those kind of books, etc. So if you could time travel, right? If you could go back in time, where would you go in time travel? Which particular wherever? Like, I don't really know what's there in your mind when I'm asking this. Is it a century that you would like to go to time travel behind, in any particular dynasty that you would like to go ahead and visit? Which one would it be?
I am having a funny answer in my mind. So that would be
What funny answer would that be?
Mr. Rutherford, who actually was called the father of the atom bomb. So I would say go to that era and say, please, sir, don't make that bomb. That's going to destroy the whole world peace.
Okay, I mean, okay, interesting answer, definitely. So if you were born again, if you were reborn, um, who will you be? Who would you choose to be if you were reborn?
Like a person's name who I know
A
or who I
person's
admire or
name,
something.
yes, any person's name. Who would you like to be if you were reborn? Like, this person's life is awesome. I wish I would have been, would have
I
that
would,
kind of life.
yeah, I would definitely be either Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo.
Hey, that's nice. That's like a lovely choice to go ahead and have. That's like fantastic. I never saw that coming. But yeah, it's a very interesting answer, isn't it? That's lovely.
I
Yeah.
I am also a football fan, and I
Yeah, you told me. Yes.
so I really
Mm.
enjoyed their playing. So and they are super rich, obviously. So
Of
why not
course,
like?
yeah. I know, super
So
rich. Yes.
yeah, and
So,
so popular also.
very true. So, how many languages do you speak?
I speak Bengali. There is
Uh-huh.
two type of Bengali I can speak, like my native Bengali and Kolkata Bengali. They're little bit different,
Okay.
but I can speak both of them. And then I know Hindi and English, obviously.
Okay. So, if you had a chance, I mean, if you could learn any language, like to speak fluently, which language would it be? Which language would you like to learn?
It supposed to be Spanish before. I really
Ah,
like
I
it.
know a lot
Yeah,
of people who want to learn Spanish, but yes,
yeah.
what would your name be? What would your answer be?
It would be Spanish before, but the circumstances changed. So I really want to to learn Kannada probably. Don't ask why.
Wow, Canada. But do you have friends here? I know you have friends here, but
Yeah.
there are a number of them. Sanjana, you can ask questions, but I don't really know. Maybe I'll give you the last 5-10 minutes and then we can go ahead and take questions. I don't really know if we have that much of time, Sanjana, but we shall try. Queer Soul, are you there? Paul Vanessa, are you there? Please give me a thumbs up if you guys are watching. Okay. So, I wanted to ask you something. So you have a lot of friends in Karnataka, but not necessarily, right? That all of them speak Kannada. Do you think all of them speak Kannada?
I know you don't speak Kannada.
I don't speak Kannada, but I'm kind of learning. I have downloaded an app, so
I also
I'm
had
kind of.
done some homeworks.
Oh, you. I don't speak Kannada, but I understand quite a lot of Kannada. I understand a lot of Bengali. I understand Tamil to a large extent. I understand and speak broken Marathi. So yes, a little bit here there. I kind of go ahead and do. Yeah. So you want to learn Kannada? Wow,
Kannada
that's
would
an
be the first
interesting
language.
language. Once you start learning. I'll tell you the app later, darling. I'll tell you the app later. I'll have to go there and I'll have to check. Somebody asked me for that. Okay. This is an interesting question and you have to tell me honestly. Okay. How old is the most expired item in your fridge? Everyone at least has one thing in their fridge that they just have not made an effort to throw.
There would be a
So,
rotten lemon probably. I haven't thrown it out. It's dried out like really. Every time I thought that okay, I will throw it out. Then I thought okay, I will do it later.
you won't believe I have a barbecue sauce. Okay.
Okay.
That has been in my fridge like forever. Every time I go ahead and think that I want to go ahead and throw it, I just never got around that. So I think I think now when I'm speaking about it, all of a sudden I'm like, I think I need to make an effort now that the secret is out, and few of my friends might just go ahead and remind me barbecue sauce. I tell you seriously. So now that we're already talking about food, so if you were a dish, okay,
Okay.
which dish will you be and why?
Oh my God.
Dish.
Only one dish. Please give me
Please,
like
one dish only, okay? Just one
no,
dish
no,
only.
please.
Don't tell me,
At,
don't give me a
at
list,
least
okay?
at least give me 5 options.
No. Just one dish. If
Okay.
you were a dish, if you yourself were a dish, which dish will you be? If you could turn into a dish.
That would be my mom's made paneer curry.
So you would become paneer. Your
Yeah,
mother's made paneer.
paneer aloo curry, and the color is awesome. And
Huh.
the thing is that both the vegetarian and non-vegan both can eat it, and it's really awesome.
Are you a vegetarian?
No,
Oh, okay. All of a sudden you're
extremely
like
not.
vegetarian and all of a sudden you said something. Okay. So paneer, a paneer dish. You would like to be a paneer dish. That's interesting. I never would go ahead and imagine you as a paneer dish. Why would you be a paneer dish? Seriously. I
See, you
would be
would
a
be
rasmalai, I know. I will be a rasmalai for sure. But why would you
let
be paneer
let
dish?
let me share one of my one thing I tend to do. I remember, okay, let me first tell you, paneer dish is it's not like easily, it can, you can digest it and you can easily eat it. You don't have to worry that, it will be spicy or something. It is really easy
Chicken
to
thing.
like it. Okay, that's not the reason I'm saying. The thing behind it, like I have a strange, habit. Whenever I tend to go somewhere or do some work which involves some tension or something, I always resort to eat something which is very easy to eat, like
Oh, so
non-spicy,
that's
non,
why paneer. That's why
yeah.
paneer.
So
Interesting.
that liking kept
Interesting.
from the thing that yeah, paneer. Paneer is very tasty also and very easy to eat also. So I would
Ah,
go with the
lovely,
paneer.
lovely. Karina is saying jalebi. Vanessa is saying tangdi kebab. Queer soul, your answer should have been tangdi kebab with all the legs picture that you go ahead and keep
Oh my
showing.
God.
Okay. Okay.
Paneer,
So
paneer is also fair, very fair. My legs are also, I suppose, little bit of it.
so tangdi kebab. All of you people who love to go ahead and show legs are all like tangdi kebab. You know, our favorite dish is going to be tangdi kebab. Okay, so what do you collect that no one knows about?
No, I guess some people
Is it
know.
something?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, that's okay, but I don't really know that they're here at this point in time. Yeah, Palvanatsa.
Okay. So
What do you collect?
I tend to, it's really weird. You can say that it would be a weird thing. I tend to collect movies actually, watched movies. I collect movies and I saved in my hard disk. I tend to, see them over and over again. I really have a very large collection of movies. And
What
apart
else do
from,
you collect? You collect movies, and what else do you collect?
okay, so one more thing I collect is nail polishes.
Wow.
I have little bit of craze about nail polish. When it comes to like makeup, my first job, like the two things I really go for, like these things are obviously like mandatory for me to have a nice shade of nail polish and a kajal.
Hey,
So
what
this
shade
was
of nail polish are you wearing today? Is it maroon, magenta, black? Which one is it?
it's
Oh, it's
burgundy. You can
magenta. It's burgundy. It's so lovely. Oh, how nice. That's lovely. That's fantastic. Okay, so tell me another thing, okay? Now, very funny question. I mean, I don't really know. Not everybody does what I do. But what do you keep on your nightstand? I keep my Bible. I can't sleep without my Bible. I have to have both the sides, like one side, one Bible, the other side, one Bible. So, what do you keep in your nightstand?
I tend to keep two, three things. One is my laptop, and
Oh,
one is
really? You keep near your nightstand? You will have your laptop right
it's,
beside you throughout the night?
yeah, it would be not running. Just it would be there in case I make my mind to watch a movie. So it would be always near to me. And a diary, you can say.
So you get up. You see, this happens with a lot of people. Okay, like for example, me. Sometimes I have like this fantastic idea or this fantastic statement or something, and I would get up and I would want to write that. Okay, that's why I used to keep a diary. So why do you want to keep a diary by your I mean, in your bedside?
You know
Why do you
what
want
I
to do
write
that?
in my diary? What I write in my diary is little bit like secret, or you can say I don't show my diary to a lot of people. I actually write there, in Hindi they call share or shairi, something like that.
Oh, four. Oh my God. So this is like a hidden talent, is it? Shero
No,
Shairi that
no,
you
no,
write.
not like that. Like a once in a type, like, like suddenly some line comes to me, so I will just write down. It sometimes it
Interesting.
happens to be like already known thing, known lines which I forgot. So I
Huh.
probably write it down also, and
Hmm.
sometimes my things also.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Interesting. Okay, so tell me, okay, if you had a magical power,
Mhm.
what power would you choose? What magical power would you choose?
Magical power. Okay. Do you count the mutants? Those shown in the X-Men movies. Does it count?
You say whatever you want to say, darling. Please, Didi, dying to hear your shairi, it seems. Next, DM her. She will make you. She will write her shairi and she will show, because I don't know. She doesn't have a diary right now, darling. Okay. Tell me,
Yeah.
what magical power would you like to have?
I would like to have the power of Raven from X-Men.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
to transform to any person whenever you want to like transform.
Oof. All your CD friends. I mean, like any drag queen, you could just go ahead and become any drag queen. I mean, look at
Not
me. I'm not even thinking anything else. I'm thinking drag queens. I'm thinking cross
no.
dresses. Oh
Why
my
I
god.
why would I just change into a cross dress? I can change
I
myself.
know, but I was in a box. I was thinking in a box. And I'm like, look at it. I'm just like stuck. All I'm thinking is that. Fantastic. So somebody asked this question, okay? Somebody asked this
Mhm.
question, are you clumsy or are you organized?
Clumsy.
Clumsy? Really? Clumsy? Okay.
Now
So whoever asked that question, you have the answer now.
even
Huh. Okay.
if I now say that I am organized, then my friends will, like Anushka, will hunt me down. She will say, "Why are you like sorted? Like everything will be like my makeup stuffs and all. It will be like scattered sometimes. Like if anyone, like any guest is coming, then I will sort it out again."
Oh, really? Okay, now I'm just gonna ask you choice questions, okay? Anybody
Mhm.
is keeping track of time, because I just saw that it's been 45 minutes since we've been chatting and I don't want
Really?
to cross 1 hour. Okay, so guys, oh, Shu went ahead and asked you. Okay, so now quickly choice questions. Count of
Mhm.
Monte Cristo or London Has Fallen, which one? Choice.
Like
Quick choice.
Count of Monte Cristo, obviously.
Okay, Sherlock Holmes or London Has Fallen?
Sherlock Holmes,
Okay, Legend of Tarzan or Avengers?
Avengers.
Okay, Lagan or Border?
Oh, that's a tough question. Border.
Okay, so would you rather go to space or to the bottom of ocean? Which one?
Bottom of ocean.
Okay, would your wardrobe be rather full of saris or full of Western dresses?
Western dresses.
Okay, 3 dogs or 3 cats?
Oh my God. Three dogs.
Oh, really? Fish or prawns?
Prawns.
Okay, Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Okay, Saurabh Ganguly or Sachin Tendulkar? This is a
Saurav Ganguly. All the way. It's a very easy question to ask. You
of
are right.
course, I know. Cricket or football? Because you're a fan of both.
Always football. Always.
Oh, really? Okay. So if you could adopt one, okay, which one would be? Black dog or black cat?
Black dog.
Oh,
That's the
really?
name of
Okay.
my drink also.
Okay. So would you like to be a maths genius or would you like to be a talented guitarist?
Talented guitarist.
Very romantic, isn't it? It's just going to be so much nicer. But I mean, I would at least go ahead and, think that. Okay.
It would be so much boring to like, yeah, talented genius. Like, yeah, let's be little guitarist.
Right. Arts or sports?
Sports.
Okay. Would you like to be bold and beautiful or smart and witty?
Smart and witty.
Would you like to be Aishwarya Rai or Sushmita Sen?
Susmita Sen.
I
Agree.
know, hands down, isn't it? Sonakshi Sinha or Sonam Kapoor?
Definitely Sonam Kapoor.
Oh, wow.
She's the
Okay,
most
so I'm just
stylish
gonna
heroine.
Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly just 2-3 questions that I'm gonna ask you since you're a cricket fan or whatever. Who is the wife of Zahir? Zahir Khan, cricketer.
Okay, that would be a heroine from a movie, I guess.
Which one? Which Bollywood actress?
Sagarika something?
Sagarika. Sagarika.
Yeah.
Who's the wife of Yuvraj Singh?
Hazel Keys.
Hazel Keech. And who is the wife of Mohsin Khan? Was
Reena. Some Reena. Bengali, I guess. Reena.
Reena Roy. Reena Roy.
Reena Roy. She
So
was the
yes, I have quickly one particular bit that I am going to ask you. So I am just, guys, are you guys keeping a track of time? Please tell me, okay? Do not go ahead. I don't want to lose this entire recording. Okay, so you are, let's imagine that you're going for a wedding or a Durga Puja, okay? This is what choices I will give you. So pick and choose which one would you like to go ahead and wear, or, you know, choices of things, okay? 10 more minutes? Okay, all right. So you are wearing a traditional wear, okay? That's decided that you're going to be wearing a traditional wear. So are you going to wear a sari or a ghagra?
Sorry.
Okay. Would it be red, blue, or green?
Blue.
Blue, okay. Would you wear bangles or would you wear bracelets?
Bracelets.
Okay. Would you do smoky eyes or would you do soft eyes, softer colors?
Definitely smoky eyes.
Okay. Nose ring, yes or no?
No.
Oh, no. Oh, really? Okay. Would you want to curl your hair or would you like to straighten your hair?
Curl my hair.
Okay. Would you have your hair up like the way you have it right now, or would you like to leave it loose?
Both ways, I guess, but up is better in summer, I guess. So I would say like up now.
Okay. Would you wear high heels or short heels?
Short heels.
And which color of heels would you go for?
A golden color it would be really nice because it goes with every dress and all.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you, Piyushi, for being a part of my Diva show. It was lovely. It was fantastic. Your personality just showed through. You know, you're just such an innocent, such a sweet, such a pretty personality. Very, you know, the way that you look is how you are from within. I mean, you just kind of made my day. Now I am just going to take 2 more minutes and just going to ask the viewers, because they've been asking whether they can ask some question. So I am just going to give 2 minutes and I am going to take quick questions. If there are no questions, I am again going to say bye to Piyushi and I am going to go. So guys, do you have any questions? You all were dying to ask her questions. Like Shrew is going ahead and sending hearts. Ravi is sending like heart eyes. Like, hello, darlings. Everybody has been giving compliments to Piyushi, going all gaga over her. So, yeah, so if you have any questions, her go-to lipstick. What will be your go-to lipstick and when will we do photo shoot? What's your favorite movie? All of a sudden it started coming in. What color is your go-to lipstick? Like you would just go ahead and pick up. Which color?
It would be a matte red lipstick, matte red color.
Which one?
Red matte color.
Oh, red. Okay. All right, guys. So now we are really, really close to
1 minute.
1 hour. And
1 minute.
I am... Is Piyushi also in Bangalore? No, Piyushi is in Kolkata. Piyushi is in Kolkata. Yes. So I have pretty much invited people from different parts of India. So yes, so see, people are asking, when will we do a photo shoot? DM her, she'll tell you. She'll tell you when can you do the photo shoot. I have no idea. Okay, Piyushi, thank you so much, darling. It was lovely to go ahead and chat up with you, and I will see you guys soon. I will see you, Piyushi, very soon. Thank you. Okay,
Thank you, friends.
bye.
Tata.
Yay.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome,
Love you, Vicky.
sweetheart. Okay, bye.